अनिकेत भाई
जो लोग पहनने वाले हैं सब देखने होता है and I'm very happy that I worked for Bhumika this time. It's very different than any of the times I've actually walked on the ramp. I felt like this was one of the most easiest, comfortable outfits, which was also very dramatic. So I feel like ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप एक dramatic outfit के साथ comfortable नहीं हो सकते. And ये मेरा एक जनरल ट्राई रहा है कि वो कपड़े हों या ज्वेलरी हो. मैं कहती रहती हूँ कि मुझे कैजुअल ग्लैमर बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि अगर मुझे ये रोज़ करना है तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं इसमें कंफर्टेबल रहूँ. और आज मैंने अपनी इंडियन ज्वेलरी पहनी है. मैं बहुत ही ये प्रोसेस एंजॉय कर रही हूँ, जहाँ पर लाइक आज मैं भूमिका के लिए एक ज़रिया हूँ उनकी कलेक्शन शोकेस करने का. एंड शी इज़ बिन सो काइंड एंड सो जेनरस टू हैव मी वेयर माय ओन jewels. And I think we relate on the kind of women that we want to celebrate. And I love the fact that उनके कलेक्शन में हर अलग अलग किस्म के औरत के लिए एक अलग अलग किस्म का सिलुएट है, जो उनकी बॉडी को फ्लैटर करे, उनकी पर्सनालिटी को फ्लैटर करे. एंड दैट्स बिन माई एंडेवर विथ माई ज्वेलरी एज वेल. जितनी भी मैं महिलाओं को जानती हूँ, आई फील लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू रिप्रेजेंट देम थ्रू द फाइन ज्वेलरी दैट आई मेक. It's awesome. It's just honestly it feels like a blink. इतना टाइम नहीं लगता. मुझे तो लगता है अभी सीखी हूँ मुझे क्या करना है. बोलते हैं कि एक आर्टिस्ट को पूरी तरह से जन्म लेने के लिए उनको 20 साल लगता है. एटलीस्ट कहा जाता है. मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा है कि आई फाइनली फील लाइक it's a new beginning. And I'm learning every day. I don't think it just feels very nice to receive so much love. मैं जहाँ पर भी जाती हूँ बहुत प्यार मिलता है, उस प्यार के लिए very I think I get very excited when I see commercial cinema which we can go and watch with our families. और हम बहुत सारे लोग थिएटर में साथ में community viewing experience कर सकें. उसके लिए a film like One, which is based in folklore, has beautifully done, an amalgamation of folklore and something that is present. And I think sometimes, जैसे मैं जब बहुत ही छोटी थी, मैं फिल्मों के द्वारा काफ़ी कुछ अपने ट्रेडिशन के बारे में या अपने कल्चर के बारे में या अपने कंट्री के बारे में कुछ सीखती थी. So it's interesting sometimes when films show that. It's really nice. It's like an information, but it's also entertainment. So it's great times to be a part of the entertainment industry, because we get to do both, and of course just get to entertain people. I think that's the most fun.
Now you are an entrepreneur woman. What would you like to say about it?
I mean, for me, मैंने अपने आप को कभी I always felt like for me these words like entrepreneur, business, they all seem like really really big words, but I feel like मेरा सिर्फ यही एक मैं चाहती हूँ कि इंडिया फाइन ज्वेलरी अलग तरीके से पहने, और ये मेरा एक विजन है. मैं बदलाव लाना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है जो मेरी जनरेशन है वो लोकल ज्वेलरी नहीं चाहती. वो चाहती है कि वो जो भी ओन करती है वो हर रोज़ पहन सके. सो आई फील लाइक मैं ये बदलाव कंस्ट्रक्टिवली क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स डूइंग इट बाय एक्चुअली मेकिंग फाइन ज्वेलरी दैट वर्क्स फॉर एवरीवन.
Here.
तमन्ना जी.
Now just turn your right side, please. Yeah. एक मिनट यहाँ पे right side.
मैम सेंटर.
Now one last right side.
मैम सेंटर. तमन्ना जी. Thank you.
A little this side. Yes.
Bhumika, come back. A little bit of a applause for what a wonderful show. And the clothes. really, I mean, I've just been staring at what Tamanna's wearing. It's such a rare red. And the red and grey were a classic combination. This is yours. And you will look in that direction and answer, not look at me. I will ask a few questions of both of you. A little bit about the collection, the inspirations, and the dress Tamanna is wearing specifically.
The collection is called Afterglow, and you know the collection, we've made this for the modern woman of today. We are celebrating romance, we are celebrating modern femininity, and yet we are also like very etched in craft. And what Tamanna is wearing, this is it's a hand printed with metallic accents. It's called the Royal Bloom, and we have we've given her a very nice beautiful corset with a nice fluid skirt and the sequin shimmer, just to kind of keep it minimal but yet bold and contemporary, also very feminine at the same time.
Tamanna, a little bit about what you're wearing from your perspective.
Yes. Hello everyone.
Hello.
I am so happy that I worked for Bhumika. It's our first association together. What I personally found very interesting throughout her collection was that I felt like she designed for different kind of women. Every piece that she made was not just a certain kind of a fabric that was only like a certain kind of fabric, but I feel like she worked towards silhouettes that work on different bodies. And when I was seeing all the models walk, I felt like different women could wear her entire collection. I really love what she's made for me. In fact, I've already told her, can you make this for me in another, like how very typical Indian thing, no? For us to say, ek aur color mein bana dena. I have done that because I feel like it's really hard to do red, which doesn't feel restricted to bridal. It immediately feels like I could wear this to, some festivity that could happen, within my own home or anywhere outside. So I love how easy this falls into my personal aesthetic, because I've always been about having a sort of duality within what I wear. Like, I love something structured and I love something fluid. And I think how she has done this outfit has just made this exactly in my personal aesthetic, which I feel made me feel like I'm in my own skin. So thank you, Bhumika, for making such a wonderful, beautiful lehenga for me. And it's so easy, it's so flirty, it's so feminine, it's so modern. It's everything one would want to wear whenever they feel festive. So thank you so much, and in an even bigger thank you for, I haven't really showcased any of my very Indian jewels from my collection. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to wear my own Tamanna Fine jewelry, and that's super, this becomes very special for me. I'm never going to forget this, because this is my first that I'm putting out what I made in the Indian space. So thank you so much. I'm so excited.
Thank you. Thank you both of you for putting together something